Hi, I'm Avi, and this is Kixie In A Minute. If you're watching this, you've either already booked a demo or one of our reps will be reaching out to your inbox shortly. Either way, you're in the right place. Let's talk about what's coming next and how to get the most from it. Your first call with us is more than just a demo. It's a discovery session where we'll walk you through your sales motion, and if you're ready, start configuring your trial account. We recommend bringing along any agents who will be testing the dialer and a list of leads you're ready to call. That way, you get more than just a future tour, you get a real sense of how Kixie fits into your actual workflow. At its core, Kixie helps your team connect faster, close more deals, and waste less time. We're here to automate the busy work, give your reps the tool they'll actually use, and make every conversation count. Stick around, we've got everything you need to go from new user to power user right here in Kixie in a Minute.